In this video, we're going to see how you can migrate your Astro project to Ban. If you don't know, Ban is a Java runtime library that will install packages very fast for you for your Astro website. And in this video, we're going to see how we can migrate to Ban so we can take advantage of these fast speeds. So in case you have a lot of packages in your Astro project, this will be installed fast. So I've created in here a repository with an Astro test site where I have npm installed and using that to run the project. And I've created a test site in here that is just the default one. And we are going to migrate it to Ban. And this site is deployed on CloudFlare pages. And in here I have the test site added. And in here you see that it's using the npm run build to run this in CloudFlare pages. And in the end, we're going to do all the modifications that are needed to migrate our Astro project to Ban and take advantage of the speed that Ban has to offer. And in here, we have the article with all the steps that we need to do to have the Astro website migrated to Ban. And we're going to follow them. And the first thing we'll need to do is to have Ban installed. So you can install Ban like this on Linux or Mac OS. So I have here the project that it started. And you see in here that I've added a couple of packages so we can see exactly what is happening and how much time it's taking. For instance, you see that right now the duration of this it's 26 seconds. So everything is built in 26 seconds and deployed to CloudFlare pages. And we're gonna see at the end if these speeds are better with Ban, because this should be the case. And let's go and install it. So I'm here in the repository. I've just cloned the repository, the test one that I have in here. And what we're going to do is to go and install Ban. Let me run the command. Ban, it's installed right now. And let's go and do the next step. So for your package manager, in case you're using the npm one or pnpm or yarn, you will need to remove the package lock. So not use it in the project. So we're going to the project, and in here you have the package lock. You see that this is the package lock. We're going to delete it from the project. You can also run remove if you want, but for this it's enough like this. Then we're just going to go and install the dependencies so we can see that everything is running smoothly with Ban installed. So let's do that, and in here I will do Ban install, and this should install all the packages. This should be quite fast. Okay. So right now you see that the Ban was installed, and in here you have a Ban log file that will be used in this project. And the next thing that we should do is to see that all of these things are working. So to do that, we're just gonna run ban run dev. So what this will do, it will just start our Astro website, and we'll need to go and check and see that this is working okay. So let me open it. So you see that the website has been started and it's working. I will also run a build because I want to be sure that the application is built okay. So run build. And this should build our applications. As we don't have a lot of things, this should be quite fast. So right now the application was built, the dist was created, so everything is working as expected with the Ban framework. And the next thing that we're going to do is to go and modify the CloudFlare project. So we have in there the use of Ban. So I will go and check the project. I am in the workers and pages in here, and in the settings for your project, we're just gonna go and edit the configurations in here. And in here I will just replace the npm with Ban. So ban run build should help us run Ban. For this, we are going to check and see that this is the case. So right now the CloudFlare it's prepared for Ban, and the next thing that we should go and do is to push our changes to the repository. So CloudFlare to fetch them automatically. So I will just do that in here. So I will do git add to add everything. So we're going to do the git commit -m, added a Ban. So right now the files have been added. You see that the Ban was created and the other one was removed, and I will just go into push this, git push. And right now the repository should have been pushed. And in here we should be able to see that the ban migrate it's starting to work, and in here you see that it's using the ban 1, and right now everything is building and updated. And let's go and see in here what we have. So you see that you have the Node.js and you have ban. This is the version that CloudFlare is using right now, and everything is installed, and everything is built, and everything is created successfully. And you see in here that this it's taking 11 seconds to build and deploy. And if we're going to go and check this project, you see that everything was created and it took 20 seconds for everything to finish. So it's faster than the one that we had before. If we're going to check the one that we had before, you will see that it was like 26 seconds. So this one is taking 20 seconds. So it's like a few seconds faster. This is because ban is installing everything faster. And if we're going to check to see if this website is working, we see that the website is up and running. Right now you can use ban for your project, and it will use the speed that ban has to offer. So it's that easy to migrate your Astro project to ban. In case you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.